All right, T12.6. Which of the following statements about chi-square distributions are true? Statement 1. For all chi-square distributions, the probability that the chi-square value is greater than or equal to 0 is 1. Statement 2. A chi-square distribution with fewer than 10 degrees of freedom is roughly symmetric. Statement 3. The more degrees of freedom a chi-square distribution has, the larger the mean of the distribution. All right, now I'll be honest, we didn't spend a whole lot of time focusing on the distribution itself and its properties. We did mention that chi-square distributions are right skewed. Okay, so here's what we know, right? This is generally what a chi-square distribution looks like. Okay, it's right skewed, and it only takes on positive values. Okay, it's chi-square distribution. Okay. So based on that alone, we know that statement 1 is true. Right? The probability that the value will be positive is 1, right? Because all the values in a chi-square distribution are positive. Okay. We know that statement 2 is false. Okay. It is not roughly symmetric. It's skewed to the right. Okay. But statement 3, I don't think we have enough knowledge from what we talked about in class to decide where the mean of the distribution is. So I'm going to go ahead and pull up this website here. Okay. And then let's start with a chi-square distribution that has 1 degree of freedom, right? You can see it's very strongly right skewed, okay? And then we can go 2 degrees of freedom, 3 degrees of freedom, 4 degrees of freedom, right? So it has that right skewed shape, but you'll notice that as the degrees of freedom get larger, the distribution is shifting more and more to the right, which means that its mean or average value is getting larger, okay? So the larger the degree of freedom, the higher the mean will be. The lower the degree of freedom, the lower the mean will be. All right? All right, so statement 3 is a true statement. Okay? More degrees of freedom, a larger mean. So only statements 1 and 3